Easy batch cooking. Batch cooking simply means cooking more food less often. This can save you time, money, and reduce food waste. Home-cooked meals are a healthier option than takeaways and ready meals. You can batch cook lots of different recipes. For example, soup, stews, casseroles, curries, or pasta dishes. Here are the Public Health Dietitians' 6 steps to easy batch cooking. Make sure the recipe you plan to cook will fit into the saucepan or slow cooker you have. You can make double if it fits. Portion cooked food into reusable containers. Label with the name of the meal, date cooked, and number of people it will serve. Allow to cool and put in the fridge within 2 hours. Or if freezing for another time, transfer to the freezer once completely cooled. Make meal times easier. Simply defrost and reheat whenever you need a quick, healthy meal. Watch our How to Store and Reheat Food Safely video to find out more. Make meal times easier. Cook once, eat twice, or more. Search for Public Health Dietitians on YouTube for more information and healthy recipe videos.